Greetings YouTubers, welcome to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to find the top YouTube trending videos by any country. So here is a free tool on my website forpeople.com, and here you can select a type of trending video like everything, music, movies, or gaming. So let's leave it as now for everything, and you can select all of these countries right here. I'll leave it as default with the United States and simply click here. In a few seconds you will have all the top trending videos in the United States right here, and you can see some of the basic stats like how many views it's gotten, when the video was published, 1 day ago, the length, the channel, and the title. And you can click any one of these to go directly to YouTube. So here, let's try another video category or type. So gaming, and you can look at different countries to see which gaming or which game or trending depending on the country. So let's try gaming in Canada. So here are the gaming content trending right now in Canada, and then you can also see other countries like Brazil. Let's see how that looks. So here are the trending videos from Brazil, and go here, have fun with it. I'll leave the link down below. There are more YouTube tools and other types of tools all for free at forpeople.com. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy YouTubing.